bodies both as one as we sail into the mystic. Hide now, hear the sailors cry. Smell the sea and feel the sky. Let your soul and spirit fly into the mystic. Now when that fog blows, I'll be coming home. Yeah, when that fog blows, I wanna hear it. Don't wanna fear it. I wanna rock your gypsy soul, like way back in the days of old. And together we will stroll into the mystic. Come on, baby. Fog blows, I'll be coming home. Yeah, when that fog blows, I wanna hear it. I wanna feel it now. I wanna rock your gypsy soul, like way back in the days of old. And together we will stroll into the together we will stroll into the mystic. Hey, welcome back to episode 3. Thank you, Pete. Thank you, Victor. Thank you, Lloyd. That was awesome. Now, we're going to do a Baz's vegetable stir fry with noodles. And the reason for that one this week is because this is our 3rd week of self-isolation. But you can always find something in the pantry. You can always find something in the bottom of the fridge. And that's basically what I've done here. I've just got bits and pieces. I'll explain them to you. A bit of old capsicum cut up, celery, a little bit of that. Found some bok choy in the bottom of the fridge. Cutting up some carrots and a little tin of, I think it was 3 bean mix. And I had a couple of tins of, one was bamboo shoots, the other one is water chestnuts. Cut them in half so they're not too big. Garlic, of course. I love my chopped up, you know I love my red chopped up onions. Look at that, nice and chunky. Some red cabbage, chopped up but not too fine, so it's nice and crispy. 4 of those yummy brown mushrooms, you know these ones? They're really cool. These are Singaporean, I think they're called wokka, ready for the wok noodle. Just put it in a bit of water before we start, and they're really nice. 2 cups of stock in here and 2 tablespoons of soy, 1 tablespoon of thick soy, some sesame oil and a couple of teaspoons of brown sugar, and just sort of shake it all up. When we're doing the cooking on the hot plate, you know, just add a little bit at a time when you're ready for it, you know, and just sort of add it through. And it's not thick and gooey and too dark because you want to see all those colours, you know, those fantastic colours. Okay, I've poured the oil into the fry pan. I haven't even turned it on yet because garlic's better to put it in before it gets hot. You can get the fragrance and the oil of the garlic. It won't burn it. That's what I think anyway. Bamboo spoon. So this will heat up pretty quickly. You watch. Get the garlic around in the pan. You get the nice flavour of the garlic and nothing's burned. Next I'm going to put in my favourite chunky red onions. Oh, my good old rattling pan. I learned from episode 1 to hold on to the handle because it was making so much noise. The next order is, let's get these yummy cabbage. Okay. Probably didn't overdo it with all the ingredients. It's just that I was grabbing all sorts of stuff and thinking, oh, that'd be good. That'll go quite well. My gorgeous Susie, she'll love this. She loves anything that's vegetarian. If I have got too much, you know, can eat some of it tomorrow. Really cool. We better put the carrots in, eh? What I did with the bok choy is just cut the stems. I'll put the leaves on later. And I reckon I should put a bit more oil in there. Then I reckon the mushrooms, which I've chopped up into bits, put them in. Whoa! What does that look? No? Okay. I reckon next I need the capsicum. Yeah. Start getting a little liquid in there. Little one. Yeah. A little bit of celery, put that in. Water chestnuts, bamboo shoots. Oh yeah. 2 beans, 3 bean mix. I'm basically going to get everything in there and then simmer it, like cover it and then just simmer it so it breaks down a lot of the chunky veggies. Gets just the right texture. That's my little noodles, as I showed you before. So let's put them in. Oh man, that looks great. That's right, you're meant to get it to the boil, aren't you? And this is all just stuff in the fridge, bits and pieces in the pantry, and you don't have to go anywhere. Look at that. A bit of white pepper, because white pepper's not as strong as black pepper. So I've got to show you this because it's like a painting. Look. How about that? Okay, that's been boiling for a little while. We'll simmer this for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'll put the top on. So here we go. Let's turn that right down now. And let's go and do a tune. You ready, boys? I hope you're out there. When you need a friend, someone you can lean on, who understand your problem. When you need love, someone you will satisfy. Don't you call no other, no, just call me anytime. To fulfill your every need, if you want to make it strong and sensitive. Anything you need, I'll be willing to give every day and night. I will treat you right, need at all, truly. When you need to cry, I'll be there to dry your line. You don't have to suffer, no. You'll be alright. 'Cause the secret to being complete in your love life is holding on to a woman. You need an on-true man. I'll be there to fulfill your every need. If you want to make it strong and sensitive, anything you need, I'll be willing to give every day and night. I will treat you right, need an all-true man. If you want a man strong and sensitive, everything you need, I'll be willing to give every day and night. I will treat you right, need an all-true man. Okay, here we are. This is it. All ready. Okay. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, look at this. Oh, all the lovely colours. Everything's still crunchy. Beautiful. Yeah. It's getting all the veggies out, not too much juice. I have to admit, I did put a bit more soy in it. A bit more of the thick soy because I wanted to give it just a bit more flavour. found some sesame seeds. Bit of coriander. That's it. Done. That looks really nice. Colourful, crunchy, tasty, and it's all from the bottom of the fridge and a bit of extra old bits and pieces out of the pantry. So there it is. There's this vegetable, stir fry. It's sort of a stir fry. I think Asians like their stir fry like Italians like their spaghetti bolognese. This is the Northern Beaches stir fry with a few noodles thrown in and a few bits and pieces that we found. So steaming away there, crunchy, yum, oh. So that's it. We'll probably sing another tune, I think. We'll see you next week. Help the poor, help for me. Heavy heart working babe, listen to my plea. I need all your love, I need a bag. I want all the love you can. Help the poor, help me. Say you will help me out. I can't make it no further in this world alone. While I still my courage till I lost you. Now I need you, help me to help me. You're my inspiration. You're making king. You got me my rescue. We're made anything. Help for me. Heavy heart, baby. Listen to my plea. But I got tears in my eyes. Won't you realize that the poor will help me? Me. That'll do.
That'll do.